And that's why I was being chased by a moose.
And that is why I'm never going camping with you.
So, I see you might need help with your algebra homework.
No, I need an open heart surgery. Yes, I need help with my algebra homework.
Well, what do you need help on?
Factoring polynomials.
Oh, factoring polynomials is easy. I'll just give me your homework and I'll show you. Let's start with a simple problem, something like x squared plus 5x plus 6. Now what we're going to be using is algebra tiles. Now the way algebra tiles work is this represents x squared, this represents x, and this represents 1. When they're red, that just means they're negative. Using the problem x squared plus 5x plus 6, this represents x squared, this represents 5x, and this represents 6. Now, you want to arrange the algebra tiles so that they form a rectangle. And the way to do that is you put the blue square in the upper corner, the greens on both sides, and then the tans in between the greens. And then you're going to factor it like I'm showing you here. And that's all there is to it. See, it's not that hard. It kind of reminds me of the time I got duct taped to a 747.
Could you please help me with this more complicated problem?
Sure, let me take a look.
Did you really get duct taped to a 747?
No, I really didn't. With a more complicated problem like 4x squared minus 3x minus 1, you can use algebra tiles, but it just gets really complicated and frustrating, and I'm just going to show you a different way to do this problem. Now, since 4x squared minus 3x minus 1 is in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c, you can use the xbox method. Now, the way the xbox method works is you've got a times c in the top. In this case, 4 is a and negative 1 is c. You've got b in the bottom. In this case, negative 3 is b. So it would be negative 4 on top and negative 3 on the bottom. Now what you want to do is find two numbers that multiply to negative 4 and add to negative 3. And those two numbers are negative 4 and 1. And then you're going to use the Punnett square, which you've probably used before. So you can just watch. And then after you're done using the Punnett square, you have it factored. And that's all there is to it. So there you have it. If you need any more help with your algebra homework, just holler.
Oh, well, thanks. Oh my gosh!
What?
There was a Viking in the window.
There was?
Yeah, I know there's one sitting behind the counter right now.
You know, that reminds me of the time I went bowling.